Hello. AI now is very advanced technology, which is almost used for everything in our life. One of the important things that AI can do is transcription, which is very important and can be used in various industries such as journalism, research, legal, medical, and entertainment. It is the conversion of audio or video recordings into written or typed text. This involves listening to spoken words and transcribing them into written form. It can be done manually or automatically by computer software. But how to transcribe a video or audio automatically with AI? This is the topic of our video today. So let's start. The first website we have today is called YouTube Transcript, because you can transcribe video putting its URL from any platform. And in just few seconds, you get the transcription as you see. And I'm not changing the speed of the video. This is the real transcription speed in this website. But as you see, the YouTube Transcript web can only generate transcription from URL of a video. So if you have any videos or audios on your phone or PC, you can't transcribe them using this website. So this takes us to the next website. The second website is called Flexier. Flexier can be used for many other tools like screen recorder and editing videos and video compressor. When you enter the website, choose Generate Transcription from Quick Tools. Drop the file in this area. When the file is uploaded, click Generate and wait a while. And this is the final result. Choose the file format and press Download. When you open the downloaded file, it will be like this. You can delete this if don't want them. This is the two powerful websites that we have today. Goodbye and see you in the next video.